Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to close a sprint on Jira website. So first of all, of course, just open the browser that you're going to use, then type Jira and URL and hit the enter button. Of course, first of all, you would like to avoid this add option and just scroll down until you find the first one with not an ad and click on it. So of course that will actually take you into this page, and before start using the website you would like to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything, just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Then when you log in into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. From here you would like to go and click here, then click add Jira software. So of course here you will find your projects. If you don't have a project, you would like to go and create a Scrum project, and from there you would like just to go to your projects. And of course, first of all, if you don't know how to even like create as a sprint, you'd like just to go and check one of our videos on the channel. But if you do already have a sprint and you want to delete it, so just go to your projects and click at your backlogs. So here as you can see, that's actually my sprint. If I want to delete it, all I need to do, just go here, that's the name, go to the right, and as you can see I will find here a 3 dots. Just go and click on that, and as you can see here we have two options. We have the option of edit the sprint, or we have the option of deleting the sprint. So if we click at delete the sprint, they are telling you delete sprint. Are you sure you want to delete sprint? And that's what's actually highlighted is just the name of the sprint. So if you want actually to delete it, just go and hit the confirm button, and as you can see you have no sprint, or I have no sprint in this project anymore. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.